Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this pink berry eyeshadow look. For today's video I have used this eyeshadow palette by Essence. This is from the Trend Edition Berry On that I have recently reviewed on my channel, and I liked the eyeshadows a lot, so I decided to do one more eye look with this palette. You can do this eye makeup look if you are a guest at a wedding, or even if you want to go out with your friends. It is going to look nice for every day as well. We don't judge here. Share this video with a friend that likes pink berry eyeshadows and let me know in the comments below what other eye looks you want me to do. I want to start with this highlighter by Essence. This is from the collection Sun, Sand and Golden Rainbows, and I have here the shade Dreams Are Calling. I want to take... It's not opening. It's not opening. I did it. I want to take this shade here, and with this one I'm going to highlight my brow bone with an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre. Let's start with this Berry Cherry palette. I'm taking this muted corally shade with a matte finish. With an eye blender brush by Essence, I'm buffing that in the crease. With circular motions, I'm bringing the eyeshadow in the brow bone highlighter. I'm taking again the same eyeshadow to build the intensity. After that, I'm taking the brush 5 by BH Cosmetics and this shade here. It is a muted berry eyeshadow with a matte finish. I'm diffusing this in the crease closer to the eyelid. Next, I'm going to outline my lashes very close to the roots, and I'm going to use this brown eye pencil by Oriflame. With the same eye pencil, I'm going to tightline my eyes. Let's apply some in the waterline. I'm blending the eye pencil very close to the lashes. I'm using an angle brush by BH Cosmetics. This is the number 10. And I'm trying to keep the color closer to the lashes because I want this area to be the darkest. I want all the other colors to fade and have the lightest on the brow bone. I'm doing the same with my waterline. I'm taking just a little bit of product with my brush and I bring it inside the lashes. Let's continue with this Berry Bronze Shimmery eyeshadow. With the same eyeshadow brush, I'm dabbing that on the eyelid. I'm also tapping that in with my fingertip. So once you apply it with your fingertip, it looks majestic. I'm taking the smudging brush by Essence and the same eyeshadow. I'm smudging that between the lashes. Afterwards, I'm taking this light berry shimmery eyeshadow, and with the same brush, I'm smudging that in the inner part of my lower lash line. I'm also bringing just a little bit in the inner corner. With the same brush, I'm taking again the peachy eyeshadow, and I'm going over the edges of the lower lash line. After that, I want to take this matte chocolatey brown eyeshadow, and with the same angle brush, I'm pressing this very close to my lashes. I'm taking again this highlighter with a pencil brush by Morphe, and I'm diffusing this in the inner corner. For mascara, I'm going to use the You Better Work Length Definition Mascara. I look like a ghost, let's change that, and I'm going to use the City Bronzer by Maybelline. I have the shade Medium Cool 200. I'm using the brush 3 by BH Cosmetics. I want also to contour a little bit my nose, and I'm going to use the same bronzer with brush 6 by BH Cosmetics. To give color to my cheeks, I'm going to use the Matte Touch Blush by Essence. This is in the shade Bury Me Up, and I'm using the brush 2 by BH Cosmetics. I'm taking the same highlighter with brush E40 by Sigma. I'm diffusing this on the highest point of my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose, and on the Cupid's bow. I was thinking about using this shade by NYX, but it's not happening. No. On my lips, I'm going to use the Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Marshmallow. On top of that, I'm going to use the This Is Everything Lip Oil by NYX Cosmetics. You can watch here all the products of the Berry On collection. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!